this is Hobart and welcome back to another video on LaserBoard Amazing World. Wow, it didn't actually move. I thought it would move, but no. Okay, hello everyone, welcome back. So, the reason I haven't been uploading any new videos in the last couple of days is because I think I should take a break or something. So I took a break, I guess. Yeah. So I done pretty much not a lot of stuff. This stuff. And I decided to put this and then make like a little ripple like coming down. I thought like that would be cool, I guess. And yeah. And I'm gonna make a fish tank like here somewhere. So my room is gonna be here because then see that way. And then this is gonna be another room. I guess Hobart room because my pets will be in there somewhere. Well, that's actually pretty far away. But I just noticed there's the one trigger here. Let's wait. A lot of green stuff. Pupfish. So yeah. I do remember him being here, I think. He might be here. I forgot. Okay, I built this and then I took a break. I played Minecraft. It's not I took a break altogether. Also, I switched it up. Before it was like... What was it like? It was... Sandstone, wood, sandstone, wood, sandstone. But then I changed it because like from the outside it looks weird. So I switched it up. Whoa, getting really loud. What happened now? So, I don't know what to do next. Hey, Hobart. Black sheep. I might be the black sheep. Stay around here, black sheep. Because I'm basically making a pen for animals. I'm gonna put I'm gonna make one pen to make. Oh yeah. To make both for cows and sheep. Yeah. So let me check. I'll get some like blue. Is there a kettle with the light blue? We got a blue. Yeah. Okay. So I think I'm gonna switch Sandy and Sunshine's color the other way around, so that way, like, just because Sunshine is my first cat, so I want him to be red. So yeah, it might seem a little bit mean because it will be good, don't worry. I can see a bit of wood. Yeah, there was a big tree not long ago, actually yeah, a few days ago, maybe a few weeks, I don't know. It's been a while, guys. Fine. I think it's about to be night, so to take this last tree. Tree foam is very effective. Hobart, stay here. It's raining. Don't want you coming out. If you come out, I'll be so sad. Also, I made some concrete powder. I actually forgot how to make concrete itself, but so now just putting it to a water. I don't know if it's actually next to the water or if it can be like above and next to the water. Maybe it is. Okay, make sticks. Some fence. Fine. I mean, that's a lot, but come on, 17. Oh, yeah. It's bad. Huh? So, do I have any wheat? I should have. I'm not gonna. Is this not? Next. No, I'm not gonna go that way because. Oh. Oh my, get out. We all a bit surrounded. Actually, I should make the front force, I guess. I mean, the fence force. I mean, the placement force. Sorry about that, guys. I'm a little bit sick. Sorry, personal issues. This is big enough, that should be. Come on, please, 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 please. That should be. Ooh, where's the middle of this? Ooh, if I do this, then there we go. Might be a little bit annoying, but yeah. Gotta find that black sheep. Man, the bone is like a bit small. What's that black sheep? Black sheep, where are you? Where was the black sheep? Yeah, it's okay if it's not the black sheep. I just want any old sheep. I just want any sheep. But when the cows there, I might want to clean the cow because I want to make cakes. Delicious. Oh, there's the. Oh, there's a lot of sheep. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. You too. What? Come on. Come on. Surely you want some. Follow me. Follow me. Look back as well. Sometimes when I'm at the range. This. I should make some carpets though, and I can like escape in a better way, I guess. Fence gate. Yeah, that should be a good idea. You got a gray, a black, and a white, but we can't use the white yet. Okay. No, last one. Let's go. Close it. No, no, no. How am I gonna get out of here? Actually, what might be a good idea? I should do a parkour. Come on, come on. There we go. I'm gonna just do this. So, like, bringing any more animals, I could just do that. Yeah. Ooh. Let me shield him. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Whew. That was too close. To get shoes. Yeah, actually, put this down. Keep getting annoyed going inside of my house because like this is the other way I can go because Hobart is annoying. That side, so yeah. So I'm using one of just leave that block down. You're right, but I don't want it to be messy. And Hobart is in here. Hey Hobart. Where's my shoes? Oh, shoes. I'm gonna shield Hobart. Just like get the pumpkin. That's a bad idea. Dup. So I just thought like we get to move things. You're already grown up. Let's go. So shield, shield, shield. So let's see. I can get a lot of brown. I mean gray. Yes. Wait, I think you can. Ah, man. Come on, eat the grass, guys. Eat the grass. Come on. Come on, eat the grass already. Come on, I'm impatient. Ugh. Come on. Eat the grass. Eat the grass. Come on, I don't have a leg. Well, because we can come back later. So. No, they're not. We're not eating the grass. Okay. I'm feeling a bit. Just calm. My cats. Like if you want to come in, it's okay. But they won't. They're not gonna move. Can I use them? Maybe. Trade over these. I want to make a stove for him. Like a trading store or something. Oh yeah, I want to build my house section. Oopsies. Come on, come on, go, no, robot. Yes, I think I'm just glitch. Got glitch. Nope. So. Oh yeah. Then kind of like this. Three. 1, 2. 3. 2. Oh, we'll pick a map. Also, a good tip if you're building your house, like with stuff. Make sure like with wood and stuff like that, you don't turn all because like, for example, if you're building a house like me and you have like 2 stacks of sand, like, and you also need glass. Don't turn all of those into sandstone first. Just save like a few to make into glass. That's a good advice for me. Save some blocks. But I don't. But that's if you're planning it. I don't plan things, I guess. Oh, I'm actually like I'm feeling a bit. I don't know what to do. I feel really confused. No idea on what to do. Oh, snow's Mm. Also, I want to make a snow farm. I know, wait. So, just build a fence, make it so one snow golem can fit, and then just make the fence floating, and then just like, because the snow golem will leave like some snow, just dig the snow. Oh yeah, because it's here, boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah, so do that. It's good strategy. Until we get to balance here. Go on, go. Ah, happy day. Ah. Yeah, the snow is melting. Waste. Come on. Oh no! Ah. I always get caught. I always get scared. Get not. Oh, let's go. I'm doing that one because, like, black and white, I don't have. Black and white. Come on, black and white. Whoop. Sorry about that, guys. And gray, I can make gray. Grabbed it? I think I grabbed it. Yeah. 3 pieces. But I need a lot. I'm gonna save some of it because. No. I'm gonna remove one from my cats. I think that. Okay. I think I can. I think you can only change the colors when they like have the wall. Also, we're gonna make a baby. Okay, so you and you. I like blue one. I think we should get another one. Or we should get another one. Wait. Oh, I'm gonna call this video sheep farm. That seems good enough. Yes, there's sheep. With another llama is here. The llama has the thing that looks like from the one on Villager, but yeah. Come on. Aha. What are you running a weird way? Follow me. They are. But with them are white so I can change the color. No, you don't. Come back here, yeah. Come on. Come on. Okay. I think to make sure that they actually see you, like following you, does like make sure they're like looking at the reflection. And then the front. Oopsie. Why aren't you guys following me? Yes, there we go. you black one. You. Then that's it. Oh, you can't. Well, no! Whoa, that was too close. I need to shoot some of them. What was I thinking? I should shield them. I think I should do a little bit of parkour. Now. There we go. You can't escape. And do I have any more fences? No. I think you should do a little one for cows. I'm not gonna be using cows, not much. But yeah. I only like need sheep. Not like other stuff. Do 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 do. Dun, do, do, do. Okay, how about my front of me? It's safely escort home. Well, not escort home, but I don't know. I'm gonna name the sheep Sean because Sean this sheep. Did you want to get that reference? Like Sean the sheep? I didn't like noticed that like a few years ago. As well as Finding Nemo, like it's Finding Nemo. Yeah, there's a bit of lesson, guys, for you. Secret references. Not really. I actually don't know what I'm doing right now. So I actually have enough stuff to actually make some buckets. No, I have enough iron to make some buckets, and with the buckets I can milk some cows, get some milk, and I have enough ingredients to make a cake. I'm not gonna waste my iron yet. Oh yeah. No, I don't know what to do. So yeah, I might just take the thumbnail and then yeah. So sorry I've been uploading real regularly. It's just that I'm feeling a bit tired, so that's why I took a break. So yeah. Sean, you wanna say bye? Okay. So thank you all very much for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye! Bye everyone! See you guys later in the next one.